When students are first beginning the recorder, learning to keep the left hand at the top and the right hand at the bottom of the recorder is one of the hardest things they have to learn. I've discovered that having them play a descending scale from B down to low C teaches them why their right hand has to be at the bottom. And as they're playing, I'm pointing to where the notes are on the staff, and I'm helping them with the fingers. So they're not doing this completely reading the notes. It's what I call note rote. They're doing it partially by rote, partially they're learning the fingerings. But as soon as those students have that low C, I'm very proud of them. I always give them lots of encouragement. I tell them to go home and practice doing that descending scale each time they take the recorder out. And within a matter of a couple of weeks, 90% of my students can play the low C, as you will see in the video.